Where in Chennai, Kripal, what are you looking forward to?
So 2 categories, 2 restaurants in Best Local South,
Okay.
as different as chalk and cheese.
Okay.
So you got Ponu Swami's, which is a meat lover's delight, Chettinad cuisine, robust, fair, and you've got Murugan Idli shop, right? I mean, what people typically associate South Indian food with. And then you have Best Veg, you have a restaurant that perhaps will be the trendsetter for pan-Indian restaurants to come in the vegetarian format. So I'm looking forward to this.
That is Royal Vega.
That's
and the
right.
Newly opened ITC Grand Chola in Chennai.
That's right.
Chalo, stomach is rumbling. I think we should head.
Let's do
go.
that.
Well, the category is Best Local Cuisine South.
Yes.
I think after this meal, I'm going to go completely south. Look at this food. Isn't it brilliant? So let's dig into it. Oh, hell. This is very good.
You know, no wonder you have a line of people out there waiting to get it.
To get it, no?
You know, the curry leaves are a must in everything, right? I mean, but that's where a lot of the flavor comes from as well.
It's only in these places that you get the freshness of the ingredients. Let's try some of these prawns.
No, what I like about these prawns, Kunal, is that they are the small sized prawns. You know, personally, the small sized prawns are the ones that pack in maximum flavor.
3 veggies over here also. 1 aloo. Now what? We got a biryani and a chicken left to taste.
This buttermilk is going to come very handy at the end of
At
the
the end of this meal, huh?
But you have these 2 meat gravies, non-vegetarian gravies.
yeah.
So the point is, you know, if you're on a budget, if you don't want to spend much, if you want to eat light, so the meat's cooked in it, so there's all the goodness of the meat in that.
And you get the taste.
That's right. But that's not enough for us, right? So we need to go
We
the...
are the lucky sort. We have a couple of more contestants or nominees to judge in this category,
Yes,
but this seems like a definite contender, doesn't it?
a strong one.
Very interesting, huh? I mean, we've had the Hyderabadi biryani, we've had the Andhra biryani.
The Lucknowi.
Yeah, this is a complete different biryani. Essentially, the idea of cooking rice and meat together.
The rice and meat, and also if you look at it, you know, there's tomato and there's things like cardamom, you know, which you know, is a Chettinad influence, you know, which kind of came from their spice roots and, you know.
I think it's now time to quickly summarize, but before which we should drink some of this buttermilk.
They call it moru here in
Moru?
Moru.
I'm a happy man.
I'm content.
Content? I think we'll leave it at that.
All
I
right.
think we'll have a nice sleep and then we'll decide on how to judge this particular contestant. Okay, we're going to nap, but coming up is one more category, one more nominee in Chennai.